In this video, we're going to discuss and know how to get the reorder point. So, what is reorder point? So, reorder point is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operations and preventing stock outs. So, let's proceed to its formula. So, reorder point or ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock, where usage, how many stocks will use, and then lead time, how long it will arrive or delivered, and then safety stock, extra inventory kept to cover unexpected demand or delays. So here are example of how to get the ROP or the reorder point. So if the company's expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the order or the reorder point? So in this scene, we need to use its formula. So ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock. So ROP equals 100 bottles per day times 6 to 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4. So, ang 4 niya is like gap siya sa 6 to 10 days. Like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, ROP equals 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4 equals ROP 600 plus 400. So, ROP equals 1,000 bottles of wine. So, the next topic would be the economic order quantity or EOQ. So, EOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes the total costs of ordering and holding stock. So here is an example of how to get the EOQ. So given number of jars of honey required annually is 10,000, cost of placing an order is PHP 10, and then annual carrying cost per year of jar inventory is PHP 0.80. So in this scene, we will use its formula. So EOQ equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C, where O stands for ordering cost, and then N is number of items required annually, and then C is the carrying cost. So EOQ square root of 2 times PHP 10 times 10,000 jars. So first ani is imo siyang i-multiply ang tulo, like 2 times 10 times 10,000, and then ang answer ana is i-divide mo og PHP 0.80, and then after makuha nimo ang answer, imong i-square root. So the answer is EOQ equals 500 jars. So the next formula would be the B, or number of orders per year, or NO. So the formula for this is NO equals N divided by EOQ. So NO equals 10,000 jars divided by 500 jars. So the answer is number of orders is 20 orders. So the next formula would be the total ordering cost per year, or TOC. So the formula is TOC equals NO times OC. So TOC equals 20 orders times PHP 10. So the answer is TOC equals 200. So the next formula would be the average inventory, or AI. So the formula for this is AI equals EOQ divided by 2. So AI equals 500 jars divided by 2. And then the answer is AI equals 250 jars. So the next formula will be the total carrying cost per year, or TCC. So TCC equals AI times CC. So TCC equals 250 jars times PHP 0.80. So the answer is TCC equals 200 PHP. So the last formula will be the total cost, or TC. So the formula is TC equals TOC plus TCC. So TC equals PHP 200 plus PHP 200. So the answer is TC equals PHP 400. And that would be all, guys. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye-bye.